Hello and welcome to English Time YouTube channel. Today we will learn 13 easy and useful English to Urdu sentences. So without wasting your important time, let's get started. Number 1. बिल्कुल सीधा जाए. Go right ahead. Go right ahead. मुझे ये मत बताए. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. मेरी मदद करे. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. मेरा यकीन करो. Believe me. Believe me. वो कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? कोई नहीं देख सकता. Nobody can see. Nobody can see. क्या आप सुन सकते हैं? Can you hear? Can you hear? कमरे से चले जाओ. Leave the room. Leave the room. वो इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. They are waiting. They are waiting. मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. I can do it. I can do it. मेरा गलती. My mistake. My mistake. वो रास्ते में है. He is on the way. He is on the way. So thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Allah Hafiz.